Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Giraffe Draffe from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off in the top right, and let's draw the eye with an angled diamond shape. Now inside at the top, let's add a curve like this. And that's it for the eye. Next, let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on the top right and let's draw an angle. Then let's curve it down and out. Then bring it down for the snout. Now next to the curve, let's draw a small angle out and then angle it down. Now let's hop back over on the left side and let's draw a curve underneath the eye and then bring it down to close off the snout. Lastly, inside let's add a small line for the nostril. And that's it for the shape of the head. Next, let's move to the top and draw the horns. On the top of the head here, let's draw an angled square shape. And then on top of it, let's draw an angle up. And then another one from the right, bringing it up and curving it back around. Now let's move on the bottom left and draw the second horn. Let's start with an angle down near the bottom, then bring it up. Then from the top of the square, let's curve it up and bring it around. And that's it for the horns. Next, let's add the neck. Let's start underneath the horns and let's draw an angle down. Then let's angle it down to the left and curve it out slightly at the end. And then for the other side, let's hop under the head and draw an angle. Now on top of the neck, let's add some details. Let's start on top of the neck and let's draw 4 bumps going down like this, getting smaller as you go. Now let's draw an angled line up and out. Bring it back down, halfway. A smaller angle out. And then one more back in. And again, let's draw some small bumps at the bottom, like this. And that's it for the neck. Next, let's move down and draw the body. From the top of the neck, let's draw a small angle down. And then from the right side, 2 angles coming to a point like this. Now let's hop back over to the left and let's draw the first arm. From the left side, let's draw an angle out. And then another smaller one underneath. Now from the top line, let's bring it down and then angle it in from the other line. Now let's add the fingers at the end. From the inside line, let's draw an angle down and back up. Then an angled rectangle section down and up. Bring it over. Back down. Then let's add another angled rectangle going inwards like this. And then one more angled line to close off the hand. that's it for the left arm. Now let's move in and draw the body. From underneath this left arm here, let's draw an angle down and in. Then let's bring it down to the hand and continue it behind all the way down like this. Now let's hop over to the right side and let's draw a line down with a slight curve like this. Now let's draw the legs. Let's move inside the body. Let's start on the right side and let's bring it in and then angle it down. And then underneath this line, another line down for the other leg. Now before we add the feet, let's move over on the right side and draw the other arm. Let's start with 2 angles down. Then from the inside line, let's bring it down. Then add a curve. And then 2 angled lines to close off the hand. Now let's hop down and add the feet. From the inside leg lines, let's draw a curve down like this. And then at the end, let's angle it outwards. Then for the outside line, let's angle it down for the tops of both feet. Now let's close off the bottom of each foot with 5 bumps for the toes. And lastly, inside each toe, let's add a curve for the toenail. And that's it for the feet. Next, let's move up on the back and draw the wings. Let's start next to the bumps we drew earlier, and let's draw an angle up, a small one out, and then another longer one up. And then bring it down, stopping here. Now let's add the second wing. We'll start with a longer angle up, angle it back down, and then in. And that's it for Giraffe Draffe. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!